Okay, a normal candle lighter. This is how people light their candles, light their stoves, light whatever they need to light. Fire. But I was looking on Amazon for a candle snuffer, actually, you know, the little snuffers that put out the candles. And I came across this. This is a USB rechargeable candle lighter, I guess. Cigarette lighter for the smokers out there. This is the Merubi? I don't know. Merubi. It just may be. This is another impromptu video. I'm scared of this thing, you guys. You know, and plus, it probably doesn't have any charge, so it's probably going to be like one of those things where I'll have to charge it later. But here it is. Here's some B-roll for you. B-roll for you. You see it. Sorry about that. The USB cable fell out, and it actually tapped my keyboard and stopped the video. But anyway, here it is. This is the future. The future of lighting your candles, lighting your fireplace maybe, lighting your stove, lighting your furnace. This is the future. Right here, the stick right here. Now, I don't know. Does it come with directions? Okay. Looks like, yeah, it looks like that's where you plug your USB into. Right back there. And then this is some kind of a, I think it's supposed to make an electrical arc in between these 2 points. So, I don't know. Does it come with instructions? Let's reslide the cover of the switch to unlock the power button. Okay. Oh. So I'm going to slide this up, and it's going to reveal the power button for us, folks. Ooh, it slid up. Okay, there it goes. Okay, ooh. So there is the power button. Can't see anything, can you? Okay, here we go. So do I press this? Do I just press it and it happens? See it right there. Do you see anything? Oh my God, did you see it? It's scary, you guys. It's like mad scientists. This is the future of candle lighting. Ooh, you hear it sizzle? Okay. So here we go. We're going to try it. We're going to light this candle. And it says cuss words on it. So I'm not sure if I should show that part to you. We're going to light the candle with this thing. We're going to try it. See if it works. Here we go. Okay, got to hold it up to where you can see it, kind of. I can't see it as you see it. Oh, God. Why is it not doing anything now? Now it's not doing it, guys. Why isn't it doing it? I don't understand. Okay, it says to reslide it. Oh, because it made it come up. Ooh, okay. Okay, I'm doing it wrong. Okay, here we go. Oh my God. It created smoke. It created, oh my God, it smells so bad. Woo! This might be bad for us, Kenny. Okay, here we go. This is the future, you guys. The future. This is the flameless candle lighter. This is the future, you guys. We got to make this happen. Okay, here we go. I'm using the camera instead of using my own eyes right now. Get over there. Damn it. It's not good, you guys. Okay. The candle smells really awesome, though. Okay. Stand up here. Stand up here. Ta-da! Okay. Wow. It's really cool, but it doesn't work, you guys. It's really impressive looking, but it doesn't work. Oh, God. It has a piece of the wick inside of it. Okay. The future from Amazon. Get yours today. It is the amazing candle lighter. This is hilarious. It's not working. I cannot get it to light this dang thing. It actually, if you look at the candle, it actually burned. It actually burned a little piece of the wick down here at the bottom. It burned it off. Made it come off. It's like more like a cutter than a lighter. Well, folks, I don't know what to tell you about the amazing candle lighter stick. Just to show that the candle's not faulty. Fire, better. Fire is better than the electrical arc. I'm sorry, I think I got a failed product here. The future. Do you love how I pretty much got the color to match my room? I mean, do you like that? Isn't that great, crazy? Bye. We're saying bye. Not like I'm going to publish this, but we will see you next time. Hey, everybody. It's the next day after I made the candle lighting video, which was very funny with the future, the tool, the I don't know, USB charging electric candle lighter. I don't know what you want to call it, but I'm going to try to redeem it because I think one of the problems is I did not have it charged. So we're going to try it with it charged here. So see, when it's charged and you turn it on, it's going to light up all 4 USBs. There it is. Okay. So now we're going to try it. We're going to try it this time. Sorry, I kind of put it in an angle that maybe I can kind of do it here with you guys watching. Okay. Oh, okay. Success. Okay, it does work. It took me a little while. It took me to fully charge it. And you really got to get the wick in between the 2 prongs. You really got to get the wick in between the 2 prongs there. But it does work. It is a successful thing. It does work. It does the job. So there it is. The Maberry, I can't remember what it was called, but anyway, there it is. There's the word. There, Meruby candle lighter. The power is yours. All right. There you go.